and I am selecting it will be 10 millimeters depth. So hole is created. In similar way, I am taking extruder cut, click on the surface, go to here, normal plane is taken, and select the circle and draw a circle 3 millimeter also, and in similar way go to here, circular sketch pattern is selected, and take the number of circles, it will be 12. Okay, then exit it, it will be 10 millimeters also. Okay, you are watching it. Then I am select the fillet and click on this surface, on this corner, and it will be 2 millimeters radius. Okay, you are watching it. Now I am selecting the materials. I am taking the chromium. Okay, brushed chromium is selected. Click here and take it. Thank you everybody for watching this video. You can see it in a section view. For watching the section video. Okay, then select it. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.